Welcome to SK Creatives YouTube channel, guys. Today in this video we will going to show you how to bulk edit the video. You can see that you have many videos, around 50 to 100 or more than 1000 2000 videos. If you have those who have 1000 2000, they know this, but those who started YouTube beginners, for them I'm doing this video. So those people have 50 100 videos, so each and every video you cannot go and update the description, and you cannot go and give the tags. So you have around 50 videos, the same thing you have to give to all the videos. That time you can select multiple, and here you can see action. You can do public, unlisted, private, tags, you can give titles, everything. So in this video I will show you how to add the description comment. So append to start, append to end, and means start means in the description beginning, in the start. So append to end means it's end. So click on submit and understood. So here you need to read. So while doing this action you cannot do cancel and you cannot do undo while it's processing. So yes, submit. So pending edit. So edit is processing for selected videos. So it may depends on the videos and network. So soon it has been done for the 20 videos bulk. 20 videos successfully updated. So when you go and check each and every video, the whatever the comment I have given, everything will be updated in the start. So next page I'm going to move. So I have done 1 2 3, and now I'm going to do a 4. So every slide you have 30 videos, so you can select entire video. So here I'm choosing those which video we should not update that comment, so I'm deselecting those videos. So in those videos I don't want that comment to update. That's it. The same thing I have done. 12 videos successfully updated. So next page number 5, select. So deselect the videos which you don't want that comment to come into that description. So which you have selected, to that videos the comment is going to update in the starting. Append to start I'm giving. So this is how to add the description for the multiple videos, right? So now you can see that remove. So the same comment I want to remove for all the videos. I don't know which is their comment and which is not there in the videos. So I cannot go and search each and every video. So I will just select all the videos and I am going to remove. So whatever it is there, it will get removed. If it is not there, it will not remove anything because it's not there. No, that's why. So anyhow, I can select all the videos whatever in the slide. I can get 30 videos. Everything I will select, I will put that comment. So 30 videos, those comments are removed completely. It will get removed. Earlier whatever the previous comment is there, that is goes down after adding. So now I'm removing, so it will come to on the first only. So remove, same comment, and submit. So here read carefully each and every time. You cannot cancel or you cannot do while it's pending. You have to wait, that's it. So read and understood, submit. So I have given my number, so I just added, and I'm going to remove in all the videos of in my channels. Pending editing. So I think it's fast, it's going to editing. So a little bit I'm going to move faster. So this is how you learned in the video description you can edit. At the same time all the videos you can monetize bulkly, everything. So now I'm going to community. Here we will get a descriptions of entire channel, all the videos or description, means that this comments. So I just want to remove those number which I have given, which I have replied for the videos. I don't know which particular video. I cannot go and search, it's difficult. So here once I mention the number, it will come entire channel wherever my number is there, everything will come. So I just go and delete, that's it. It's very simple. Earlier, those who don't know, it is very difficult to go. Earlier I was doing each and every video, just go and read all the comments and delete, and read all the description and search and delete. I was doing manually. I was not knowing this type of features is there. This will be very helpful for the YouTube beginners to edit bulk. You can do it, bulk edit, tags, either tags you can give, and monetization, privacy settings, descriptions, etc. When you go to action, there you can see the many more.